I'm going to add it on. They will take this wax and work on that frame, hopefully. The frame next to it, they have some drawn on it. And I'll pull that out here in a minute. I want to leave this out so there's room. I don't want to squish girls doing this. My hands are very sticky from working on the last one. Girls, I need you to move. Come on, honey. I got to get in there. Come on. Let Mama get in there.
Oh, yeah.
The whole top of that is nectar. They've got this almost completely nectar filled on this one. I'd like to see more eggs. They've got lots of room to build on if they just do it.
Have you seen the queen?
Not yet. And I've got a few capped over cells here, but only a couple. Trying to look to see. No, those are open cells. Those are not laid up cells. But that is definitely honey. No, I have not been in this hive in a week, so I want to take a look and make sure the queen's doing her job.
The hive is actually doing bad. How long have we had the hive in here?
About 2 months now. Right around 2 months.
About 2 months. This is what the result
I believe it was just under 2 months. That is completely nectar filled. That's not a good sign. You shouldn't be seeing that much nectar. They should be putting it up top. You should be seeing eggs, not nectar. This one is not drawn out enough for them to use.
Right. They want to have enough honey.
Yeah, but concerned that the queen's not laying. I've got to find her, make sure that she's laying, because I had frames that were just solid brood here a week ago. Out of the way, girls. And yes, I understand that they backfill, but they've got lots of room to do that. There's a full frame of brood. Honey at the top, and the rest of it is filled with capped brood. Now, I still want to look for that queen. I'm looking. I've got capped brood here, too. I've got, hold on, I got to move these girls so I can see what's in these cells.